So today I'll be showing you how to mute someone on Instagram. So you can mute someone by going to their profile. So just search for their profile. You can just type in their username or their name, open their profile page, and then go to the following button. So basically you can mute someone you're actually following. Okay, so you can tap on that and then you should see the option to mute. Tap on that and then you can choose what exactly you want to mute. Do you want to mute posts from this person? That means you're not going to be seeing posts from that person, even though you're not exactly blocking that person. So you can mute their posts, you can mute their stories, you can even mute their notes if you want to. Okay, now also you can mute someone through the DMs. Okay, so you can mute someone from sending you direct messages, and to do that, simply from the home page of your Instagram account, just go to your DMs, find that person you want to mute, and then tap on their profile icon. On their profile page, you should see the option to mute. So if you tap on that, you'll have the option to mute messages, and also basically, as long as you want, you have the option to mute for a specific period of time, maybe 1 hour, 8 hours, or even 24 hours, or indefinitely until you change it. So select that. And then also you can mute calls, because people can call you via Instagram. You can actually mute calls from a specific person. All right. Now, even on the main Instagram DM page, you can just long press on a certain chat and you can mute calls and mute messages from here. Okay, like that. So those are the different ways of muting someone on Instagram. Now, muting basically means you're just avoiding that person. So if you mute their posts, you're basically avoiding to see their posts in your feed. If you mute their stories, you're basically just avoiding to see their stories, even though you don't really want to block that person. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.